Here we have a project, POC remove custom form. Under this project, we have a custom form, digital marketing request. Now our goal is simple. Our goal is to remove this custom form from this project using Fusion. So let's see how we can do it. So we are in Fusion now. So let's try to add a module. Okay, right click, choose module. Let's select Adobe Workfront and let's select custom API call. Now let's try to formulate the URL. Okay, so let's go to Workfront API Explorer. So we have Workfront API Explorer here, and we have to go to category. Category is nothing but custom form. Okay. Now under category, you have something called actions. So then we have unassigned category as an action. So this is the action that we need to choose. Okay. And unassigned category has three arguments: obj ID, obj code, category ID. Obj ID is nothing but the ID of the object. What is the ID of the object? Here in our case, the object is project, right? So it will be the ID of the project. Okay. And obj code is nothing but the code of the project, right? We can use proj, right? That is the code of the project, right? And then category ID is nothing but the custom form ID. Okay. um, so then let's try to formulate it. So this is category. So let's copy this one, category CTGY, right? So CTGY. So let's try to formulate the URL CTGY CTGY slash. Then we need to give the action, which is nothing but unassigned category. So let's copy paste it here, and then question mark. They're expecting three arguments there. First argument is obj id. Obj id equal to, let's say, x. We'll just use a variable as of now. We'll configure that later. And obj code. Obj code is nothing but equal to, we need the obj, we know the obj code, right? This is nothing but the code of the project, which is proj, right? The object code, right? Proj. Now what else do we have? Category id is nothing but the custom form ID. So let's try to get the custom form ID. So go to the custom form, and under the custom form URL, you'll get the ID, right? So if you go to the custom form, and then we can pick up the ID from the URL. So let's copy it and then let's paste it here, right? And then we need to configure X, right? X is nothing but the object ID. Object ID is nothing but the project ID, right? So let's go to the project and pick up the ID from the URL. Okay, I just copied it and let's paste it here. Okay, so we configure the URL. Okay, everything looks good. Now the method should not be get, because we are we are trying to update. We are going to update the object, right? So it should not be get. It should be put. Okay, it should be put. Okay, and the content type, we are not giving any application JSON here, right? We are not giving any JSON message here. So let's change it to text plain. Text plain. Okay, so that should be the content type. That's it. Let's try to run it. Okay, run this module. You're getting an error. Verify connection. My connection is wrong, so let's try to select the right connection. Okay, I selected the right connection, so let's try to run this. Category ID cannot be null. Okay, what happened? Obj code equal to this, and so we missed and there, right? And project and category ID equal to this, right? So that should be it. Let's try to run it. Run this module. Here we go. It is successful. So now let's try to refresh this project here, and you'll see that this particular custom form will vanish, right? It will be removed. Here we go. The custom form is removed. This is how you do it. I hope this was useful. Have a great day.